Paggabi na. So, tonight is the night. Ayan win na naman siya after ng mga manalo. Loyal tayo, no? Ayan loyal tayo. Pero ang feeling ko parang nadihado si Ralph. Definitely si AZ Martinez ang ball of sunshine ito ng Hotel 88. I'm not getting it much. Para bang I don't care anymore. Oy, mga kuya ko. This is your Kuya Mike, ang Kuya News America. This is for Oy, mga kuya ko vlogs. Paggabi na. So, tonight is the night. Napanood ko si Ralph De Leon. No? I mean, I was surprised na bigla na lang siyang pumasok dun sa stage nung napanood ko yung Miss Universe Philippines na kung saan nanalo yung taga La Union. Na actually sa Wisconsin pala siya, no, sa katabing state namin dito. But any case, well, mukhang may laban pero mukhang inaano siya iniintriga siya, pero who really cares? I mean, after all, I'd like to think she's Filipino at I don't know if she's going to get that Philippine passport, pero mukhang may laban itong si Bea Wyndorski. Ayan win na naman siya after ng mga manalo, win naman tayo. But any case, panalo rin si Ralph De Leon dito sa kanyang cameo, alright? Or pag-host niya and introduction niya kay Atisa Manalo. Wow! Binigyan siya ng isang very good spot doon ng Miss Universe Philippines because of Mercator, no? I think aside from ABS-CBN Talent or Star Magic, mukhang kasama rin siya sa Mercator. Nagkaroon ng isang technical issue. He needs to somehow bask, and he is basking. Supposed na technical issue na yon, na it became actually a moment for Ralph De Leon. Okay? So tonight, and because of that tonight thing, mukhang mas nakilala itong si Ralph. And also, may good news ako, mukhang maganda talaga yung team up ni AZ, ni Ralph, and sila mukhang nagdadala, okay? Nagdadala ng Hotel 88. So, ayan. Idudugtong ko na lang itong tonight na pangyayaring ito with yung aking nagawa ng video. Oy, mga kuya ko. This is your Kuya Mike, ang Kuya News America, and this is for Oy, mga kuya ko vlogs. Buhay na buhay pa rin ako, although, and to be honest, nagigilty ako dahil matagal ako na makapag-vlog para sa inyo. I'm sorry about that dahil talagang marami tayong ginagawa, no? Parang halos dalawang trabaho ko, no? At the same time, may mga businesses pa tayo. And at the same time, gusto ko talagang makapag-communicate sa inyo, mga interest ko. Well, sorry na lang po. But, mukhang loyal tayo, no? Ayan loyal tayo. We are faithful sa pagpapanood ng Hotel 88 na to, no? Well, can I just say, mukhang okay na yung script writing, lalo na sa mga dialogues. Mukhang okay na yung pacing. Although, na way, parang amateurish pa rin sa akin. Although, konti na lang, no? Yung mga blocking, yung pag-alis ng mga characters, para bang, sige, alis na ako. Para bang tipong ganun. Pero at the same time, this is so much better than the first 2 weeks, 3 weeks, na kung saan mukhang nadismaya ako sa arte. And again, it's not so much Ralph De Leon's fault, but ang feeling ko, it is the script writing and even probably yung sa director na parang I was not impressed. Pang nabigyan ng pagkakataon si Brent Manalo and then si Will Ashley, yung sa tatlong magkakapatid, no? To shine, really shine. Pero ang feeling ko parang nadihado si Ralph. Pero mukhang ngayon, I can see it, na mukhang yung kwento ni Ralph and AZ is doing very, very well, no? Parang feeling ko sila yung parang alis ng bagot ng Hotel 88. And nakakakilig, no? Very effective yung mga dialogue, yung pagsisimangot ni Ralph, and at the same time I can only say na talagang to borrow si Ann Curtis. Yung pag-ano ni Vice na nako, ball of sunshine si Ann Curtis. It's definitely si AZ Martinez ang ball of sunshine dito sa kwento ng Hotel 88. Really good, particularly even yung mga dialogues between her and yung grandfather niya na si Suleiman, no? Si Suleiman Cruz. Refreshing. I really like yung dialogue. I like yung bahay kubo nila. And yung characters, actually. Light and at the same time, may bigat, no? May dating. Hindi trite. So far, I'm enjoying yung Hotel 88. Although, I will have to be honest, yung pinaka-main story, kung sinong pumatay, kung sinong pinatay, I'm not getting it much. Para bang, I don't care anymore. Kung sino ang pumatay kay Gardo Versosa, kay Dominic Ochoa, hindi impactful sa akin. If probably it was treated na talagang doon tutok, probably I would be more interested, pero live from the very get-go hindi na maganda yung pagkatahi nung kwento, no? Pero I like na ginamit nila rito na si River, no? So yung acting metal niya na ipalalabas, okay na okay. He was also good, no? But so far, yun nga lang, siguro yun ang pinakamahina sa akin kasi I didn't care enough. I don't care so much kung sino na yung pumatay at paano pinatay yung mga parents nila, yung story arcs ni Ralph and ni AZ, and then even kay Brent and Mika. I like Mika here. She provides depth sa kanyang characterization. I like that tandem. Sana ma-pursue rin na si Mika and Brent na magkaroon ng talagang solo project, heavy drama na parang K-drama, adaptation perhaps. Kayang-kaya nila ni Brent. Magaling talaga si Brent dito. So far, ngayon parang okay na rin yung kay Bianca and kay Will and kay Dustin. Although feeling ko dihado rito si Dustin, mga taga-Dasbia, mukhang dihado yung manok nino sa kwento na ito. At parang si Will ang mas nakakaungos in terms of storyline. And even yung nangyayari between sa Kish, no? Kay Kira and then kay Josh, okay na yung kwento. Again, ang ganda ng mga support rin nila na Cyril is just like also another ball of sunshine dito, si Cyril. Although I'm sure mas effective lang siya muna so far as talagang pang support. Including even yung kay si Clarice, no? Si Clang, si Mom, okay talaga. And it's near to. Let's see, let's hope na mas impactful pa yung mga characters nila. But so far, stand out sa akin in terms of support, Mr. Suleiman Cruz. Very, very good. Nice to see as well, Fede Los Reyes, acting again. Ang huli kong napanood sa kanya is Oro Plata Mata, and that was probably 40 years ago as Mami La. Of course, saan ba siya? Kasama siya ni Ku Ledesma, yung grupo nila, no? Yung Music and Magic. Okay? Parang, pero very radiant pa rin sa akin, of course, itong si AZ. And really, oh my gosh, tanga na lang ang GMA and ABS-CBN not to launch Ralph De Leon and AZ Martinez sa bigger projects. So again, until next time, okay? Again, ito si Kuya Mike for Oy Mga Kuya